Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you all charging options of Sandberg Survivor Lantern. So the first most probably common used is just via cable. So here next to antenna we have this lid that you can open and put your charger inside. Now when we see, wait, because oh yeah, it's charging. The second option, we need to close this lid. The second option is manually. It's my favorite, I love it. So right in here we have this hand wheel, and when we start to spin it, as you could see, oh maybe no, you can't see. Oh yeah, it's charging. The charging animation is on. Yeah. And the last option is with solar panels. Just leave it under the sun and wait for it to charge. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.